Machinery Co. Limited is a leading comprehensive manufacturer and supplier of packaging equipment. Headquartered in Hong Kong, the company is committed to providing intelligent and efficient packaging solutions for clients worldwide. With business spanning 5 key sectors: pharmaceuticals, beverages, chemical adhesives, daily chemical and personal care products, and food packaging equipment. Catering to the diverse needs of various industries. Machinery operates a network of specialized subsidiaries to ensure focused expertise and coordinated growth. Jiangsu Machinery Manufacturing Co. Limited focuses on pharmaceutical packaging equipment, ensuring safety and precision. Shanghai Jiadahe Machinery Co. Limited develops beverage packaging solutions for high-efficiency filling and packaging. Changzhou W Filling Machinery Co. Limited provides chemical adhesive production and packaging equipment for industrial applications. Suzhou Machinery Co. Limited specializes in daily chemical and personal care packaging, promoting intelligent upgrades. The company operates advanced manufacturing facilities in Changzhou and Zhangjiagang in Jiangsu, with offices in Shanghai, Wuxi, Zhangjiagang, and Ningbo, creating a fully integrated production and service network. With advanced manufacturing technology, strong technical expertise, and a comprehensive service system, Machinery has earned the trust of customers both domestically and internationally. Looking ahead, the company will continue to innovate, enhance equipment intelligence and automation, and strive to be the preferred partner in the global packaging equipment industry. Always welcome you visit our factory.